Price action analysis explained. Fundamental data is the facts or news about the market and isn't needed to study price action on a chart. Most traders are aware of certain market conditions as they trade, but all the data is already integrated into the price. The only indicators that a true price action trader normally uses is support and resistance areas. These include multiple time frame highs and lows, and they can also be angular lines for a trend or horizontal for a range. Indicators on a chart can take your focus from the price action, give you a bias, and make you second guess your decisions. There is also indicator lag. Some indicators work some of the time, some indicators work most of the time, but the times that they fail can cause large losses. Price action analysis can predict with higher accuracy the future market price, such as higher highs or lower lows. There are different categories of bars, and here's the most important ones. Failure bars, range bars, the inside range bar, the outside range bar. Price patterns tend to repeat themselves with measured moves. Pullbacks tend to retrace 50 to 100%. Look for price patterns at important support and resistance levels, and look for breaks of trend lines. Are smaller time frames random price moves? Some traders prefer the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily charts. Others, like myself, watch those time frames for important levels, but I prefer to enter a trade on the 1 or 2 minute chart or on tick charts. I don't believe that the prices are just noise because they follow price patterns also. Hope this helps. Have a great day.